Hi guys, let's do a paint kiss pour. This is a 12 by 12 cradle board, and I've got two very transparent acrylic paints, some Deco Art 24 karat gold, and for my base coat I've got Artist Loft Metallic Blue. These two colors are from Tester's Craft. They're glitter bursts. One is called Stargazer and one is called Stardust. These are fairly thick, about 2 to 3 seconds, and they disappear. I've mixed them 1 part paint to 3 parts Floetrol. And this was 1 part paint to 4 parts Floetrol. I added water to these 3. Excuse me, that Floetrol bottle popped and it scared the heck out of me. And this is just 1 part paint to 3 parts Floetrol. It's a little bit heavier. Let's pour some paint. Yeah, that's ugly. Oh my god, that looks horrible. Well, let's tip it and see what we get. Everything looks horrible, so I'm just going to pick a corner. Back to center. That looks pretty bad. It's really bad. I don't know what to do. Let's give it a torch. Well, if anything, it'll make a good backdrop for something. This milky stuff should dry transparent. And I don't know where that other blue went. Well, as far as I'm concerned, that was a waste of paint. I know you guys don't want to, but we're going in for a close-up. We'll start at the bottom right corner. It's kind of pretty in its own right, but it's wet. So I don't know what it's going to look like when it's dry. We'll find out. Well, it's drying nicely until I touched it. And it was the size of a pencil eraser, so then I tried to fix it. Yeah. So, I'm going to use this as a background for a resin pour. Oh, well. Thank you guys for visiting. I really appreciate you coming and learning with me. Don't touch the painting. That looks really cool right there. I like that. And I like how it's blending in really well. It's pretty cool. Can't wait to see what it really looks like when it's completely dry. Except for that little... Oh. Like this video if you were entertained. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for everyone who's already subscribed. And check out the Amazon links because I'm an affiliate. And if you use one of those links to purchase anything from Amazon, I might get a small commission from that with no extra charge to you. We will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.